Today we are going to learn WordPress, how we can create a WordPress website and add content to it. So hopefully today we will be just seeing how to create a website using WordPress. If time passes, then we will be adding content to it. But today we will be just seeing how to create a website. Okay, fine. So now what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to install a WordPress in our website. So now to create a website, first of all, you require a domain name. So now, from where do we get domain? So there are many websites where people buy, but I prefer bigrock.in from where I am purchasing. So this is one of the website, and another one is resellerclub.com. So these are the two websites from where I am purchasing the domains and hostings from past 20 years, more than 20 years. These are the websites. So all my domains are currently on this website. So you can create an account over here. You can sign up and you can create an account, and then you can search for a domain over here. You can find your perfect domain. So you can just type in a name, whatever you want. Say suppose I want to find a domain by the name of digital cybertron.com. So then I'll click on search, and then they will tell me that which are the domains that are available. So if .com is not available, then you can try for something else. So there are different types of domain. .com is commercial and it's international, so I prefer to use .com domain. .in would be India. If your business is within India, then you can use .in as well. And then if it is a shop, then you can use shop as well. So first year it is 119 rupees per year, and the renewal would be say 2339 from next year. So this is how the all the domain different types of domains are available. Shop.org, .ninja, .store, .me, .link. So like this, there are hundreds of different types of domains. If you keep on load more, then you will keep on finding different domains over here which you can purchase. So once you purchase a domain, then you require a web hosting. So in web hosting, you can purchase Linux hosting. So that would be a better option. So here you will find various options. Domain is the name, and hosting is the place where you host all the files, where you place all the files, where you create website. So Indian servers are also available and US servers are also available. So if you buy Indian servers, so within India the website will run fast. So if your target audience is India, then you can use Indian server. So say if you go for 1 year, then it is 249 rupees per month plus GST 18%. So like this, you can buy this hosting over here. So like this, you can purchase domain and hosting from the same website. So it is easy to renew. If you have on multiple websites, then you need to search that from which website you purchased which domain and hosting. So I prefer to have it on one website itself. So from bigrock.in, I purchase a domain and I purchase a hosting. So now say you can say that domain is like your car. Now you for parking a car, you need some space. So that space is called as hosting. So where you can park your domain. So the same way, I mean, you cannot say that okay, you will park your car in your house, you will park it in the balcony. That is not possible. The same way for the domain also, you cannot park it anywhere. You need a hosting space where you can host a domain, because domain and hosting both are integrated with each other with the help of a name server, which will map the domain to that particular hosting. So whenever a person will type your name, it will search automatically. This mechanism will search for the IP address associated with that domain of that hosting, and it will find that okay, this is the website over here, and it will load the home page of the website. So this is how the domain and hosting works. So whenever you want to purchase a domain and hosting, you can let me know. I will help you to buy a domain and hosting both. So now, after buying domain and hosting, you need to install WordPress. I mean, of course, there are various systems over here like WordPress. There are many others over here which you can install. Depending on the type of website, you can install the content management system. So what is content management system? So content management system is a online software with which you can manage your content. So it manages different types of content like text, images, videos, everything on your website. Whatever you want to put in your website, it will manage all the content. So that is the reason it is called as content management system. So that is WordPress. Now, if you want to create a website like Facebook, then we have different content management system over here. If you want to create a website like YouTube, then you can install different content management system, that is CMS over here. So there are various options. See, you want to create a portal or a CMS, or else you want to create a blogging website. So these are all blogging websites. Then these are all portals and CMS that you can install over here. You can see there are so many of them. You want to install forums, image galleries, social networking. So social networking, like you want to create a website like Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, then you can use these all scripts over here. Then ad management, so you want to create a website like OLX and Quicker, then you can use this. Then there are various options over here, like you want to create an e-commerce website, so other options are also available. You can create e-commerce website also. And then if you want to create a website like YouTube, then you can use these two options are available. You can create a YouTube like website over here. So today we are going to create a professional website. So for that I will be requiring WordPress. So WordPress is something that I will be installing on my website. So I click on install, and then I will select the domain on which I want to install. So I will be installing it on digitalcybertron.com, and the directory will be root directory. So I don't use any directory name, and the version would be the latest one. So that we have to select, and then you need to provide what is the site name. So I will provide the name of the website, that is Digital Cybertron India. And then this is the description. So this is description, we can add the description. uh, and then you need to enter the username, and then you need to add a password, and the email address. Okay, and then you need to install some plugins over here in case if you want to use. So I'll install some of them. Hmm, okay, and then some theme sets in case if I want to. So this is it, and then I will say install over here. So now it is installing WordPress on my website. Now there are different types of websites that you can create with WordPress. So like I'll just show you an example. So this is one of the website. Then I'll show you another one also. So you can see this is my website over here, helpopedia.com. So this is the website. This is the learning management system website over here. So this type of website, this is created in WordPress. So you can create a website like this. Then this is for the blog. So if you want to write blogs, then this is the website. This is the type of website which you can create in WordPress. Then this is also another website. This is also created in WordPress. Okay, it's taking some time to load. Okay, this is also created in WordPress.
Okay.
So there are various different types of websites that you can create. So it is just the look and feel of the website that you can create. So you can see this over here, this website over here. You can create such websites over here. So this is my client's website which I have developed.
Okay.
So you can see crafted by Helpopedia EduTech over here. So yes, I have developed
Yeah.
this. Yeah. So this is what I mean. You can create various drop-down menus, and then mega menu also you can create like this. Then you can have blogs. You can have contact us. So there are various things that you can do in a website. See, this is the contact us page where you can have all the information, or if you just want to have a contact form, then you can use this. And over here the address and all the other information that we can use. So this is how we can create different types of websites in WordPress. So now it is installed. So now just let me go and check. So this is the website. Okay, so this is the default page. Whenever you install a website, WordPress in any website, this would be the default page for all the website owners who install WordPress. Now, of course, we'll be changing this. And now we will be logging into the administrative URL from where we can manage our website. So I go to this URL so that I can log in over here, so that with the help of login and login credentials I can use this. So now I am into the dashboard of the admin panel from where we can create our website. So now I can log out from here. From this I can also see this is the type of control panel when I get with when I'm purchasing hosting over here, wherein I can create lots of email accounts also over here. I can create unlimited email accounts. So I can just search for mm, okay, this is already created. So from here I can create this email account. So for which domain I want to create. So this is a multi-domain hosting, which means that I can host multiple websites on the same server. So I don't need to buy hosting for every website. In case if you are running a multiple website, but if you are using a single website, then you can purchase a single hosting. Your website over here, so that would be cost effective. Now I am logged in into my dashboard, so this is from where I manage. So today what we are going to see is, today we are going to see the functions of all these menu items that we can see over here, so that we get to know that if I know the functions of all these menu items over here, then I can create a website very easily, because this is the only menu from where I can create a website. Now first, these are plugins, I will just remove the unwanted plugins over here. So I'll say delete. Then okay, this also I'll delete. Okay, so the two plugins which I did not want were deleted. So these are the default plugins which are installed. Now what we are going to do is, first we click on dashboard. So dashboard is basically the overview of your website. So what is happening on your website? So whatever is important, you can keep, the rest you can remove. So this is site health status. So this is not related to us. So I mean, site health status can be taken care by the server people to whom we are paying money. So they are responsible for the site's health status. So I can uncheck this option, so that part is gone. Then at a glance, I will get to know that how many posts are there, how many pages are there on my website, how many comments I have received. So that is important. Now this quick draft is also not required. I'll remove this quick draft. Then WordPress event is also not required at this moment. And this is the activity of the recent comments. So that fine, I can keep it. So this is okay. So these are the things that I can keep. So I can also arrange them. I can just drag this over here whenever, wherever I want. So this is the bird's eye view of what is happening on your website. So that is dashboard or home, you can say. Now the next thing is updates. Now updates is required whether it's a software or mobile app. Whenever there are updates, we have to update them. In smartphones also there are regular updates, and we get notifications from the apps that there is a new version available, please update. So we update the apps. So similarly over here, the WordPress version which we have installed over here is 6.4.3. So tomorrow it can be 6.4.4 or 6.4.5. Whenever there is a new version, it will say show us some updates over here. There will be some letters over here like 1, 2, 3. So the number of updates, it will show us that how many updates are required. So it will tell us. So over here we will get the notification as well. So current version is this. So we are using the latest version. It says that you have the latest version of WordPress. So that is because right now only we have installed it. So definitely we are getting the latest version. So after that we have plugins and themes. So plugins are basically small applications which will make our life easier. So which will enhance the functionality of the website. See, for example, in olden days when I want to create a contact form, I had to code the contact form. Then I had to provide that what all fields I want, and then what will be the name of the variables, and then it has to go into this particular database. It has to get stored into this particular table, and then when a person will search, then it will retrieve the information. So I mean, it used to take a lot of time, maybe depending on the length of the form, or different types of forms. It took that much time, maybe half an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on that we took time. But today it is very easy. So I can just drag and drop all the fields and say that whenever a person submits a form, to which email address the form should come up. So I will just enter the admin's email. So by default, it will be the admin's email, which on which all the emails will come. So over here we can see the hello at helpopedia.com. This hello at digitalcybertron.com is mentioned. So that in that email address, whenever a person will fill up a form, I will get all the emails. So like this, there are various plugins. Now say I want to do some social sharing. Say like I will just show you on my another website over here. Now there are lots of things, lots of plugins I can install in my website. Now say suppose over here, let me see what are the plugins over here. Say like this is the courses that I'm selling. So for courses, selling courses, I want to convert my normal WordPress website into an e-commerce website. So I can add courses. So I can install a plugin called as learning management system. So after installing learning management system, I can add all the learning courses over here. So like this I can use. Then I can add some offers over here. You can see this timer over here. So these all things I can do. Then I want to add the lead generation form, that is a contact form. So people can submit their name, email address, and mobile number. So this also can be done as a plugin. Then I can install a plugin called as event. So if my website is using events, then I can use this events also. So like this I can use. Then I can have blogs also. So that is the inbuilt facility provided. Then I want to have newsletter subscription on my website. So I can install a plugin in just 2 minutes and get started in just 2 minutes. So this is what a plugin is. So like this, there are various plugins which I can use in my website. Now, say if I go to blogs, then there are say social sharing buttons. So if I want to share it on my Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn or more than hundreds of social media networks, then I can do that. So if I go to this particular blog, so I click on this blog. Okay, this is the ad which is coming up. So now once the page opens, you will be able to see. Mm, Okay, on this we do not have, I don't think we have the social sharing options. Yes, we can see over here the sharing options, the Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn. So people can share this to Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. So these are all social sharing buttons. So like this, I can have multiple social sharing buttons on my website. So this is the plugin. So like this, there are lots of plugins that we can use in our website. So plugins, once we install plugins, you will get to know more about it. Then this is the themes. So theme is basically the look and feel of the website. Right now, I just showed say three different types of websites. The look and feel of three different websites were different. All the three websites were looking different. So basically, the websites were in WordPress, but the look and feel were different. Say, for example, it is just like say human beings. Say the human beings say they are same, but the clothes are different. So it's just the look and feel. What type of clothes are we wearing? What color of clothes we are wearing? So it is the same thing. The clothes of the website that is called as theme. So I can install different types of themes are available. So I need to update this. So whenever there is any update related to the WordPress software or plugins that I've installed in my website or the theme which I've installed in my website, I need to update it. So every time I have installed anything, there would be an update. So just need to click a button and update the plugins or themes over here. So that section is updates. Then comes post. So post is basically writing blogs in our website. So like you can see this is a blog which I've written on my this another website over here. So like this, if you have a flair for writing, then you can write blogs also. So there are various options. You can just click on add new post and you can add a new blog over here. So you can add a title over here. So you can add a title over here and then you can choose a block over here and then you can start typing over here or you can paste your content over here. So this is what how you can use, and then you can use the background over here, then you can use some dimensions if required, margins if you want, then advanced you can use some additional. So I mean this all things are not required, but related to the post, say I mean you can use the category over here, so which category the blogs belong to. So like this over here, if you talk about this, then the category is search engine optimization for this blog, because this is video search engine optimization, video SEO. So this is a category search engine optimization. So like this for this blog also I can create a category. Now over here that category is not available, so I can click on create new category and I can add whatever category I want, and that category will get added over here. So that is adding categories. And then this is tags. So all the important tags. So over here you will see the tags. Let me just show you. I scroll down and you will see some tags. So you can see these are all the tags. So that is the important keywords of this particular blog. So whenever people will search for these all keywords, or at that time this blog will come up in the search results. So these are called as tags. So I can add tags from here. And then featured image. So like over here you can see for this blog, this image on the top is the featured image. So that is the main image of this. In between, if I want to add any images, so I can add multiple images, but this is the featured image. Why it is called as featured image? Because when I go to the home page and I see lots of blogs over here, at that time I can see some thumbnails for the blogs. So those thumbnails are called as featured image. So if I don't use featured image, then there won't be any content. See, I just show you if I have any. Okay, over here I have all of them. So I just go to blogs, and there I will show you. Say this all is having a featured image on the left hand side, you can see, but some of them might not be having. You can see this AI trend over here. So this is not having a featured image, so this does not look good. But if it has a image, then it looks good. So this image is called as featured image. So we can add a featured image from here. So like this, we can write a blog. So that is post, so that we can use over here. So that is post over here. Then I can add a new post from by clicking over here. Also over here also I can use add new post. Then from here add new post, and from here also new, and then post. So this is the option also available. So that is post. And categories, we have just seen how to add categories from the blog. So if I want to add categories over here, then I can add. So this is the special, I mean the particular place where we can add categories. But this is a long process, because if I want to create a category, then I will type SEO over here, the name of the category over here. Then I will type the slug, so that is the same name over here, and then I'll click on add category. So then it will come up, the category will come up over here. And this is the default category. So default category cannot be deleted, but I can just click on edit, and I can just rename that. So I will just keep it as general, and then I can just click on update. So now this is done. So from here also I can add categories. Same way the tags also we add from the blog page and not from here. Over here also I will have to add twice, and then I will click on add tag. But we don't add tags over here. Of course we can use it, but no, we should not use it from here, because this cannot be mapped from here with any particular article. If I'm writing a post, then for that particular post I have a tag section from where I can add tags, that is the keywords. So that is the easiest method we can use. Then comes media. So media library is where all the images and images, documents, videos are stored over here. So all types of media are stored over here. Now we have just installed WordPress, and this is new. We are starting from scratch, so there is no media in the library right now. Once we start creating, everything will start to come up. So this is the media library over here. So we can also add images over here. So if I want to add all the important images which I want to use in my website, then initially itself I can upload all the images, and then I can just fetch those images to respective pages. So that is image library. And then if I want to add a new image, then I can just click on add new image over here, and then I can just select the files, or I can just drop all the files over here. So this is what I can do. After that, next comes pages. So what are pages? So pages are basically the pages which you can see on the menu, like home page, about us, products, services, contact us page. So they are all pages. Now then, what is the difference between post and pages? See, post are dynamic content which comes up automatically. It does not require a menu, but pages requires menu. So whenever we are adding any content in the page, so it has to have a name. So for example, about us page, so that about us page will have a menu, it will be there in the top menu bar. So that is about us page. But post is something like it will automatically come up on the website. So now if I go to the home page of this particular website, over there you don't see all the blogs in the menu. I just have one option over here. When I click blogs, all the blogs will come up. So that is all the post will come up over here. So it has different names. You can call it a blog, you can call it a post, you can call it an article, whatever you call. So it is one and the same thing. It is called as blog. So now on the home page, you can see the blogs are over here. So this will come up automatically. Now, whenever I add a new post, this will come at second position, this will come at third position, this will go to the fourth position, and the latest one will be over here. So it is dynamic. The latest content will always remain on the top. You can see with the dates over here. So like this is 28th February, this is 8th February, this is 5th February, like this. So today is 27th of March. So if I add a new blog, so the new blog will be the latest over here, and this will come to the second position. So like this, we can add. So this is dynamic content, but the menu is always on the top. You can see over here courses, blogs, contact us. So like this is there, and over here at the footer also you can see footer is means at the bottom. So that is about us, blogs, contact, become a teacher, login, memberships, events, dashboard, privacy policy. These are all pages of the website. So these all pages of the website will come up in the menu, but the blogs, individual blogs will not come up in the menu. Only the main name will come up. So once I click on blog, all the blogs will come up in the menu. So you can see all the blogs are coming up over here. So this is what is difference between pages and blogs. And moreover, blogs we update every day. Maybe in a day I might add 2 to 3 blogs. But pages are something once I create a website, it is done forever. Say about us page, I'm not going to change. Contact us page, I'm not going to change unless and until say my phone number has changed or my address, office address has changed. In that case, I will change the contact us details over there. The products and services, if I've added if I want to add more products or more services, then only I will update those pages. Otherwise rest of the life the pages will remain the same. Only the dynamic content, that is the blogs, will keep on changing. So that is the main difference over here, pages and post. So all pages, you can see all the pages that are listed over here. So right now we have a sample page and a privacy policy page. So we would be adding more pages. Say from here, I can click on add new page. And like we saw post over here also, I can add a new page over here. Like I can use what type of page I want. I can choose what type of pattern I want. You can see there are lots of options over here that I can use. So maybe I can just select whatever type of content that I want over here. So this is about us page. So I can just use select a pattern over here about us, and then I can create. You can see automatically it has come up over here, and then I can just click and just keep on editing whatever it is. I can edit some image over here. You can see upload image. So this is very easy over here. Otherwise, if I have to sit and code the page, you can see if I'm creating a page like this, then it will take a lot of time to create a page. So this is how I can create. I can just write this is about us, and over here there is no categories for about us because pages does not have categories, only blogs have categories. And then I can click on publish. So now say this page will get published on the website. So initially it might not come up. Right now you can just see sample page. Now you can see about us page has also come up. Now I click on about us page, you can see the page has come up over here. But now, while we are making our website, one of the most important things, so we have to put under construction page, because right now whatever we are seeing, say people will also be able to see. So for that reason, we should not let people know what we are doing, because people will think that okay, this website does not have anything. So if people get to know that this website is under construction, then yes, people might eagerly wait to come on our website later on once it is launching. But right now, if people will see our website, they say that the website is on, but there is nothing on the website. So next time they'll never come. Even if our website is completely ready, they'll not come. So we will be using a plugin to install under construction page as well. So this is the under construction. So this is the about us page that we have created, which came up in the menu automatically. Yeah, and you can see it also got added into the all pages right now. So this is the sample page which I don't require. I can just trash that page over here. So that will get deleted. So that is pages. Then comes comments. So comment is basically, say in every blogs, say people write comments, like in YouTube videos, how people write lots of comments. So in blogs also people write lots of comments. So in case if I want to see all the comments, then I can just come over here and I can see which are the comments which are pending approval. I can keep all the comments for approval so that unnecessary comments or abusive comments will not come up on my website. So for that reason, I will just check everything and I will after that only I will approve it. So I have the option to unapprove, so or else I can mark as spam, or if I don't want to upload it, approve it, then I can just even trash this. So like this, I can use this option over here. If I want to reply back, then I can also reply back. If someone has written some good comment, then I can also reply back saying thank you for posting this comment, and whatever his queries are, I can answer it over there itself. So that is comment section over here. After that, the most important thing comes up is appearance. That is the themes that we were talking. That is the unique look and feel of the website. So right now we can see the look and feel of the website is this because this theme is installed by default. So when we install WordPress, so this is the latest 2024 theme which is installed over here. This is 2023 and this is 2022. So if I don't want any theme, I can just delete the theme. So this is very old. Any which ways I'm not going to use it. This also I'm not going to use it. So okay. So, but this theme, I don't like this theme. I want to create something better. So what I can do is I can just click on add new theme. And then I will find lots of themes over here. So you can see different themes over here. So whatever type of themes I want, I can use it in my website. Now, say, let me if I'm confused that what type of theme I should use in my website, in that case I can just search for something over here like what type of website I want to create. So I will select e-commerce. So then if I want to create an e-commerce website, then you can see there are lots of themes where I can use these all themes and I can install it. So you can see various themes are available. So
Yes.
this is what it is. So you can use this. You can install, and all of them are absolutely free, of course, because once we are purchasing hosting, with that we get license copy of all the softwares which are there on the in the control panel. So WordPress is also 100% licensed. We keep on getting lifetime updates till the time we keep the website. So whichever theme we like, we can use it. Now, say there are say thousands of themes over here, but still, if you are not satisfied with the themes that you are seeing over here, then in that case, there are various third-party websites from where there are paid themes also. So you can purchase those themes. So if I just search for say like WordPress e-commerce themes. So then I will find various websites. You can see hundreds of customizable templates for WordPress over here. Then over here, DB changes everything. Number one e-commerce WordPress theme of 2024. So you can just see we can just open a few websites and we can see if we like anything. So over here also you can see Theme Forest is one of the biggest websites over here, then e-commerce themes over here, then e-commerce solution themes over here. So we can find various websites over here, Envato elements over here. So you can see all these websites. So these are the websites from where you can purchase the themes. So different themes are available with them, and we can use them. See over here also we can see there are number of themes available, and we can use those themes. So you can over here you can select the pricing also, what is the pricing of each and every theme. So some of them will have some prices over here, say 11,500, 575 rupees per month for 12 months, 385 rupees per month for 12 months, and this is free over here. So I mean, of course, it has some benefits also over here. When we are paying something, we get some additional benefits. So in this, we get monthly email sends 5,000. So this is all various things that we are getting in this website. Then over here, this is one of the world's biggest website wherein you can purchase themes for various things. Over here, you can see WordPress. WordPress, various different types of themes you can use, say blogs and magazines, buddy press, corporate, creative, directories and listings, then e-commerce website, education website you can create. So now if I use say education, or you can see various different options over here: wedding, technology, retail, real estate, non-profit, mobile entertainment, elementor, education, e-commerce. So I can just click on e-commerce over here, and you can see there are different themes over here. So this is say costing $59 each. These are all under $49, so you can select the themes. Now, how will I know that whether I should purchase this theme or not? Because I want to first check that how does this theme look like, right? Say suppose if I like one of the themes, say like I want mm, say any theme, let us just check one of the theme over here. Okay, say I'll check this theme over here. So I can click on live preview. So I click on live preview, and it will show me that once the website is ready, how will your website look like? So what is it inside? So now let's just see over here. Okay, so it is showing something over here still. Yes, it has 91 plus pre-built websites, so ready to use. So various options are there, so you can use any of these. So these are all the front page, home pages of the website, which can be used over here. Now, say I want to test this website over here. I'll just click on it, and it will show me the exact how does this website look like. So once I create my website, it will look like this. You can see, since it is an e-commerce website, see sign in, register, shopping cart. Over here you can subscribe to newsletters also. So this pop-up can also come up. Then currency also can be changed, the language can also be changed, our store, then track your order, and various things are available in this. Then what are the different products? So you can see the menu like Amazon over here. So this is the mega menu that we can see. Then featured products over here. So various featured products, blogs can also be added, about us can also be added, some elements can also be added. So like this, there are various options. And under all departments, you will see some categories under which you can purchase. So if you want to go into electronics, and then you can add all the products like this. So you can see these all options are available. You can buy any of these. So you click on say camera drones, so it will open a website, like open the page of that particular product. So like this, of course, this is a demo website, but yes, this is how our website looks like. So in case if I want to purchase this theme, then I can go and purchase this theme, and then they will give me the option to download it, and then I can install it. So I can use this. So this is one of the themes. So there are various other pre-built over here. So I can just see what are the other options available. So maybe I want to see something else. Mm, okay, I'll check out say this website. Okay, this is shop demo over here. So you can see now this is a different type of website. The previous one was different. So okay. So say where did it go? Yes, you can see this is no, not this one. Yes, this one over here. So this is a different one over here with some full image. You can see the image is also moving. So like this, you can have the shop by category. So like this, we can create an e-commerce over here, e-commerce website. So then I can use popular products over here. I can add whatever products I want. I can change the currency also. Right now it is in dollars. I can put Indian rupees also. Then some facilities of the website: customer support, secured payments, free returns, free shipping. All these things are there over here. So then I can add some contact address, phone number, account, and all those things over here. and what type of payment I'm collecting, that facilities available on the website, I can use it. So like this, I can create an e-commerce website. So you can see different categories are there, different products are there. Like this, I can, if I like this, then I can buy this particular theme over here, or else you can see there are 91 themes available in this particular thing. So whenever I'm buying this, I get all these 91 themes. So maybe every 6 months, if I want to change, I can keep on changing the theme so that it will look good. So now you can see over here, this is again a different type of website, but again e-commerce website. So like this, you can see different websites over here. You can see various options over here. So these are called as all the themes that we want. We can use it, and we can after installing, we can have that kind of website. So just let me see over here if I have. mm, Okay, I'll continue with Google. I had purchased something in past, so let me see my collections, my downloads. Okay, you haven't any download right now, so maybe I'm using a different email account or a different account over here. That is the reason. I can log out from here, but yes, I had purchased uh, some themes from here. Okay. Yes, you can see this is another website. Your account is connected to Google. Please log in with Google. Okay, fine. So I can continue with Google. Yes, so now I'm logged in over here. So over here also you can see all these things. So this is the website. So I can just go to my downloads. And you can see, yes, over here, this is one of the website. This is BCom Consulting Business WordPress theme. So my client's website, which I showed you, blacktopinfra.com. So I had purchased this theme over here, and this is a Eduma theme which I had used. This is what I'm using on my helpopedia.com over here. So for one, if you buy one theme, it will be used only on one website. So if you want to use the same thing, same theme on another website, you have to buy again. So you can see I've made two purchases for two websites. So like this, I can use this, and I keep on getting the regular updates all the time. So you can see 1 month of support remaining extend now. So still 1 month of support is remaining. So in case if I want, I can extend the support. And this is again e-market multi-purpose theme, open card theme. So this is another CMS like WordPress. This is specially for open card. So it is instead of WordPress, it is open card. So like this, I can use various themes over here. So I can purchase the themes over here. So some of them are $59, some of them are different amounts. So if I go to Eduma theme, so just let me click over here, and you can see this theme over here. So this theme, if I go to live preview, so then you will see the different themes which I have purchased. So you can see this is what you can see on my website right now. So yes, there are various options over here. So I have installed LearnPress also. So like this, there are various options. So you can see this online courses, offline courses, and different themes are available. So these all are included when I buy this theme over here. So these are all parts. So now, right now, if I want to check this, how does this theme look like? So you can see my website is also similar. You can see if I go to the home page, you can see the same blocks over here. You can see over here also same blocks are there. So like this, you can see this is popular courses over here. You can see I might have edited those things. So instead of that, I have added my courses over here. So yes, it is fully customizable over here. So like this, and then you can see this over here, register now. So even data I'm using. So this I can change the text over here. So this is what we can do. So like this, once you buy the theme, you can choose if you don't want any of these sections, you can remove those sections. You can add those sections again. You can see this is the latest news. That is the blogs that we are using over here, latest blogs over here. So it is something like this. So this is the theme which I have used. So I have removed this testimonial part. I have removed this, but yes, this newsletters I have kept it, and this footer is there, and this become an instructor, this part I have removed it. So like this, you can see this theme is also available. If I want, I can use this theme. So and then I can use it. So like this is the theme. So since this was the most important part, we took long time to learn about the themes over here. So yes, there are various themes over here which we can use. So this is the theme. So I can just click on install and activate it, and then that particular theme will get installed over here. So yes, that's it over here. Then after that, what do we have is customizing the theme. So I can customize the themes. So there are lots of options over here. So if I go to appearance, I can go to the themes. Okay, yes. In after appearance, once I use it, I can customize the theme. So in that, I can make the customization. I want to remove this text and I want to put my logo. I want to change this menu over here. I want to change this text over here. I want to change this image. So all the customizations in the website, I can use it. So this is very easy by using the themes. So that is all the themes over here. Editor is something which we should not touch because this is all programming. If you know programming, then yes, you can touch because this is requires some programming knowledge because this is everything is in PHP. So if you want to change the navigation, you want to change the styles. So some of them are available. I mean, you can do it with the interface. Otherwise, you require some programming also. So pages you want to see, what is the type of the pages that you want, how many posts per page that you want to see. So that all things you can do some adjustments over here as per the requirement. It is very self-explanatory. Privacy policies there. Then over here related to page 404, that is when page is not found, what should be the content. So like this, we can create whatever we want. So this all everything can be customized over here. So this all things are there, manage all pages. So that all things also we can use. So it is this is managing all the pages. So like that we have themes over here and then we can use it. Now we go to the plugins. So plugins also the say like themes we can install plugins. So like we were talking about that I want to create contact forms and newsletters and all those things. So I'll just click on add new plugin, and then you will see lots of plugins over here. Whichever plugin I want, I can use it, or else I can just search for what type of plugin I want. So first of all, I want to install this classic editor, which is very much useful, which is very convenient to add content in the website instead of that block content. So I click on install, and now you can see once it is installed, I get an option to activate. So in the themes also you get the same option. Once you click on install, after that you get the option to activate. So now you can see that is installed over here. You can see classic editor is installed over here. Now you can still add new plugins over here again by going over here. Now you can see, now since this is installed, you can see this is grayed out and it says that it is active. So now I want to install some say we want to use under construction. So I click on under construction because like I said that people should not see our website while we are developing. It should see like under construction. So of course there are again various different types of plugins available. So now right now if you see the website, I click on digitalcybertron.com. This is something that I can see over here. So people should not see what is this actually, because we are right now developing. This is not our content. This is the dummy content which is installed with the theme when we install WordPress. So now I'm going to install under construction. So I'll click on install now. So now it will start installing. Once it gets installed, we will activate it and then we will go into the settings and we will activate the under construction page. So this is say under construction plugin. So now it is installed. So now I go to settings and now we will activate the under construction button. So now what I need to do is first of all under construction mode. Yes, I want to keep it on. So this is done over here. I click on save changes. Then the design. So what type of design you want? So there are various designs. So the star mark are the paid ones, so which I cannot use, but the rest of them I can use. So there are various very much good under construction pages over here. So let me see what I want to use. I can use this one also. This is also good, and even this is also good. So I will prefer to use this one's light bulb. So I click on activate. So once I click on activate, so that will get activated. And after that, it gets activated. What I need to do is I need to save it. So this is activated. So now I just click on save, and after that the content. So what should people see when they open the website? So I click on content and then over here I can write something. Site title is under construction, so I can just use say site content, whatever site content we have added. Say like digital cybertron india is say the site title which we have added. So it will automatically take it, but to be on a safer side, if I want, I can update it. So I'll say digital cybertron india is under construction. And then description, if I want, I can use the same description over here. This is the meta description. And then headline, sorry, we are doing some work on the website. So instead of this, I can use uh, we are getting ready for launch, stay tuned. So this is something that we can use. And then in the actual content, I can use thank you for being patient. We are doing some work. We are we are getting ready for the launch. We are getting ready for the launch and will be not back because we are coming for the first time. We are coming online, so we'll use online. So because in say maybe after 1 or 2 years you want to make some changes in the website, so at that time you can use we will be back shortly. So right now this is, since this is the first time, I will use we will be uh, online shortly. So that's it over here, and then I can just say stay tuned. So this is what I can use. And then over here, this all things, I don't want a login button. I'll keep it off so that we can keep hackers at bay. And that's it. So now if you want to add your Facebook page and all those things, then you can add it over here. or else if you don't want, you can leave it blank. So now this is done. So now let me open this website URL in another browser, because same browser the cookies will be shared. So even if I refresh this, say I will not be able to see under construction, but because I'm logged in with my admin menu, so it says that under construction mode is enabled, but you are whitelisted, so you see the normal site because we are the admin. So now I will open this in a Firefox, and I will open that website. So a normal visitor, like a normal visitor, we open this, and you can now see this is the under construction page. So people will not be able to see what we are doing in the website. So whenever if they come to this website, they'll get to know that yes, we are getting ready for the launch. Stay tuned. So over here, thank you for being patient. We are getting ready for the launch, and we'll be back online shortly. Stay tuned. So like this. So this is what we can see over here. So we are under construction. And if we would have added the social media icons, then all the social media icons would have come up over here. So yes, this is just the under construction page that we can create, so that people will not get to know that what we are working. So this is the under construction page. So this is the plugin. So you see, just by installing a plugin, how much time did it take to create an under construction page? It just took 2 minutes to create it. So this is how we use plugins. So now if I want to use some more plugins, I want to use add new. So maybe I want to use some plugin which is related to, say if I don't know what to use, then there are some popular tags also over here which I can use. So maybe I can go to e-commerce over here and see if there are any plugins related to e-commerce. Let's see. So WooCommerce, PayPal, checkout payments, WooCommerce multilingual, multi-currency, okay. WooCommerce conversions, okay. So I mean there are various of them which I can use. So let's see over here what else I can use. I can use InstaMojo also, e-commerce product catalog plugin also I can use. So depending on the number of active installations and number of reviews, you can install those plugins. So right now what I will install is say newsletters. I want newsletters on my website, so I will use that newsletters. So there are various plugins for newsletters also. So mail munch, grow your email list, email subscribers, we can use newsletters, I can use. So there are lots of them over here. Let me see if I have AWS. So AWS is from Amazon. So AWS is Amazon SES, that is simple email services. So I can use this SMTP for Amazon SES, yeah, SMTP, okay. Send WordPress emails through Amazon SES server using, yeah, okay, fine. So maybe I can use this over here. And then once it is installed, I can activate this. So if I want to use multiple, then I can use multiple also. Add new plugin. So let's see. This is WordPress on AWS. Easily migrate, transfer, clone, upgrade, or backup a site to AWS in minutes. So you can see there are various options available. File manager is also available. Image optimization is also available. Yes, I want one of the plugin to install the latest generation format of images on the website, because I will not be uploading JPG or PNG images on the website. I will be using next generation format, that is WebP. So I will use mm, WebP enabled WordPress. Okay, so let's see. Uh, so there are various plugins over here. Okay. Okay. So let's see. I'm not able to find the plugin which I want to use. Yes, over here WordPress enable WebP. So this is what I'm going to use it. So once I convert the images from JPG, PNG to WebP, then this will allow, because by default I cannot use WebP images on the website. So I need to convert them, and I need to install this plugin so that it will allow this the latest format to be installed. So these are all plugins that we can use. So after that, say this is users. So right now there are no users on the website. So once we build a e-commerce website, then people will start to register on our website, and people will buy. So at that time we will get to know there would how many users are there on our website, how many administrators are there. So that all things we can use. And in case if you want someone else to manage your website, then in that case you don't need to give your login credentials. You can just click on add new user, and then you can create an account by filling up all the details, and then you click on add new user, and then you give that new user that person the new username and password. And you can provide the role based rights you can provide. So you can provide contributor, author, or editor. So you don't give administrator, otherwise that person will also have similar rights to like you. So you don't give that. So maximum you give up till editor. So that person can edit your website. They can make some changes in your website. So that is with this login you can use this option. So that is users. You can add new users, all users you can check. And then in case if you want to change your profile. So right now you can see over here digital cybertron admin it is written. So whatever products or some pages or blogs I post, then it will be written by posted by digital cybertron in, and then dash admin. So this does not look good. So what I will be doing is say I will be updating over here. So I'll be using digital cybertron India, and then over here the name that I want would be, oops, okay. And then what would should be the display name? So I want display name to be digital cybertron India. So this is what it is, and this is the email address, and this is website. Okay, we don't change this. And if you want to change your profile picture, then you can change your profile picture on Gravatar. So this is the website where you can change this. So you can just go to this website, and you can log in to this website, and then you can use this. So you can sign up with your email addresses and all those things. So this can be done. So right now I'm not changing it, but just in case if we want, you can change it. Mhm. Okay, so this is what it is. We have added everything, and this is just the themes that you want. If you want, you can change it. So this is light, and this is modern blue and coffee, and various others look and feel of the admin panel. So I keep it default. So this is how you use it, and then you if you want to update the password, then you can do that. You can set a new password over here, and then you click on update profile. So your profile gets updated. So this is done over here. So now you can see over here Digital Cybertron India. It has changed from that admin name to Digital Cybertron India. So this is done over here. This is related to profile. Now we have certain tools. So in tools, we have some available tools. So from all these tools, we don't use all the tools. So this is related to categories and tag converters. So if you want to convert categories to tags, so in that case, you can use that. But I don't want to convert it to tags because I want categories. Because in e-commerce website, I want categories to be there. So like say electronics, and under electronics there could be various subcategories, and then there could be some products over there. So I need categories, so I don't want to use that. Then we have import and export. So this is import and export is something like say you can take backup of your website. So say if God forbid, if something happens to your website, if you don't have a backup, then you will have to create your website again. And in say maybe 5 6 years, whatever has happened on your website, whatever you have created, all the details will go away, including the users. So you can get everything back, but you cannot get your users back, your user accounts and all those things you cannot get back. So for that reason, what you need to do is take a all backup, all content over here. You can take a backup and you can download that export file. So your website will come up as it is. That will download as an XML file. And if you are changing the server, or you are again creating your website, you can just click on import, and all the pages and everything will come up by default. So you can use WordPress. So since we are using WordPress, then you can just install WordPress importer, and then you can run importer. And then you can choose that downloaded file, and you can select that file, and then you can say upload the file and import. So your backup will be there in just 2 minutes. Even if there are thousands of blogs and hundreds of pages on your website, everything will be done in just 2 to 3 minutes over here. So your whole website will be as it is like before. So you don't need to worry at all. So that is the reason we use import and export. And when we are talking about import, there are various options. It's not just WordPress to WordPress. I mean, if you have some blogs written when you started, at that time you started on a free platform, that is blogger.com, which is from Google. So if you want to import all the blogs from Blogger, then yes, you can import all the blogs from Blogger as well. Then you want to import from say live journal or movable type or RSS from some another website or Tumblr, then you have other platforms also from where you can import it. So basically we use this for a backup. So WordPress is the option which I use. Then site health, so I mean that doesn't matter to us because this is taken care by the server company. So this is all the performance and everything. So how, what is the performance over here? So that we should not be worried about. No, so that is taken care by the hosting company. Then comes export personal data. So in case if you want your personal data to be exported, then you can just put your email, username or email address, and then you can click on send request. So your personal data will be exported. But I haven't used this in all these years. From the time I'm using WordPress, I haven't exported personal data. Whenever I have exported the whole website, because the whole website belongs to me. So it's not just personal data. So this is just a facility that is provided in case a user is asking for his personal data. Then yes, we can provide his username or email address, and then we can export his data, and then we can give it to that person. So that's fine. Then erase personal data. So now if someone wants to delete their account, then in that case you can erase the person's data also. Or else if we see that that person is inactive for some time, maybe 1 years 2 years, that person is inactive, then in that case we can erase the personal data. We can add the username or email address, and then we can also send a personal data ensure confirmation email that all your data is deleted. So then I can click on send request and it will be done. Then theme file editor, again this is a PHP thing. So you can see there's a warning over here, heads up. So in case if I know programming, then I can make the changes over here in all the files over here. So I can make changes in the CSS or button.css or fonts or templates, whatever changes I want to make. I can make the changes over here. There are various pages over here on the home page. If I want to make some changes, then I can make the changes over here as well. So like this, if you know programming, then yes, you can use this. Otherwise, I would not suggest. If something goes wrong on this page, if some even one say a simple character is deleted, or say even a particular symbol is deleted, then your website might go down. So we should not touch this theme editor over here. The same is the related to plugin file editor also. We should not touch that also, because it might hamper the functionality of your website if something goes wrong. Then come settings over here. So these are some of the general settings of the website related to general writing, reading, discussion, and all those things. So in general settings, so this is the name of the website, that is Digital Cybertron India. So in case if you want to update it, edit it, you can do it from here. Tagline, you can use it. So that is the punchline that you can use over here. Then WordPress URL, that you don't need to change. Site URL, you don't need to change over here. Email address is mentioned, that is by default over here. If you want this, if you want people to register, so if this is an e-commerce website, you can say that okay, anyone can register on the website, and what they can become over here, they can become a subscriber or a contributor, whatever. So right now I'm not using this because I will be using e-commerce over here. So over there they'll become users, they'll become customers. So this is for the blog section. In case if I want other people to write blogs on my website also, that is called as user generated content. So if I want a user generated content, then I can use that. Okay, anyone can register on my website, create an account, and then I can give them role based rights over here depending on what type of content they can add. So if I put author, then they can write blogs on my website. So that is what it is. Then the site language, you can select whatever site language you want. So by default, it is English, United States. So that's fine. This is the time zone of the server. So in case if you want Indian time zone, then you can select the Indian time zone also over here. There are various options available. You can use it. Okay, so let's see if we have Indian time zone. So yes, there should be. Over here Kolkata is there, so I can change it over here. So now it will be my time zone. Then the date format, whatever date format you want, you can use it over here. Then time format also you can use as per your requirement. And then week starts on Monday. So if you want to change this, then that also you can change it. So these are all the basic things. So after making any changes, you need to click on the save changes button. Otherwise, they'll not get changed. So these are the general settings. Then the writing settings. So related to writing, so the default post get a category would be general over here. Default post format would be standard, or say there are different options over here so that we can use. So standard is the best option, in that you can use all of them. Then the default editor. So previously we were using block editor, and now we are using classic editor plugin we have installed. So I am selecting classic editor over here. And then you want to allow users to switch editors. So in case if you want, then yes, you can allow this, but right now I am keeping it no. And this is post via email. So this is the mail server. So this is in case if you are using the third party options. Like just now we installed a plugin for Amazon SES SMTP. So that is this is mail transfer protocol. In case if you want, then we can use. So I can add Amazon's SMTP server over here, mail server over here, so that then my mails will not go through my server, it will go through Amazon server. So that can be done over here. So this is it related to it. Then default mail category would be general over here, and then I can click on save changes, what if in case if I made some changes. Okay, so now the next setting is reading. So reading is related. How does it look on your website? So you want your latest post on the website. So if you're creating a website, then you can select a static page, and then you can create a page over here. Like okay, you want home page, this particular page as the static page. So that will look like a page. So like on my website, you saw it was a page. So say this is the page which I've developed. So this is with the theme, this page comes up. So this is I'm developing a website, but say over here if you see, helpopedia.in, if you see, then it is all blogs over here. So your blogs will come up because over here on this website there is no website. Oh, I mean this is only blogs over here. So all the blogs is coming up. So in case if you want your latest post, so that is if you want to have a blog website like this, then you can use that option. And then if you want a static page, so I mean that is this kind of content you want to develop different sections of the website, then yes, you can use this your static page over here, and then you can define that okay, this is the home page and this is the blog page over here. So that is what you can select. So right now I'm keeping latest post only, but once we install the required theme, at that time only we will be say changing this over here. So that's okay for now. And then how many blogs to show at the most on one page, how many blogs do we want to show? So I can change this. So maybe I want to show five blogs over here, and syndication feed show how many recent. So I mean this is just in case if you are taking content from some news website. So that is the syndication over here. But right now we are not using this syndication at this moment because we are not creating a news website, or we are not fetching any content from some another website. So for that reason, this does not matter at this point of time. Then for each post in the feed, include full text or excerpt. So that means that whenever we are seeing some say blogs over here, at that time, do you want to see the full text content or just some experts over here? So if I just click on blogs, let me see what do we see. So if I go over here, then you can see some content is written. So this is called at excerpt. So this is some summary over here, and then once I click on read more, at that time I will see the whole blog. So that is what it says, that whether I want full text or this excerpt. So I'll use excerpt over here. So that is what it is. And search engine visibility, the last one, discourage search engines from indexing this website. Now, since this is under construction, so at this point of time, I can keep discourage because I don't want search engine bots to come to my website and crawl the content. So that all things we'll be seeing in the next session when we will be learning about search engine optimization. So that is the next module. But once we complete the website only, after that only we'll be going to search engine optimization. So right now I don't want my website to come up in search engine because it is under construction. So however this will be honored or not, it depends on the search engine because say it all the process is automatic. But still I can just keep it for a safer side, and I'll click on save changes over here. So the settings are changed. Now discussions over here, so this is related to the comments that people are posting. So you can, these are all basically the default one, we don't change over here. Just in case if you want to read, and you can select that okay, you want some notifications on my blogs. So attempt to notify any blog link to from the post. So we will get a notification. Then allow link notification from other blogs, pingbacks and trackbacks on the new post. So again, if we are using some content, they will be notified. If they are using our content, we'll be notified. That is pingbacks and trackbacks. So allow people to submit comments on new posts. So yes, if you don't want to allow people to post comments, then you can use uncheck this option. Then comments author must fill out the names and email address. So yes, we get to know people cannot submit anonymous comments. So for that reason, we use this. And then users must be registered and logged in to comment. So it's not necessary, but yes, people can, if we want more registrations, then yes, we can use this option. Otherwise, we can directly use this, that people can comment without this, but in that case they can fill out the name and email address, so automatically we will get the details. Then automatically close comments on post older than 14 days. So in case if we want to close the comments after 14 days, then yes, it will get closed. So no more comments can be added after 14 days, but this option we can keep it off because maybe a person who is browsing some content, he might be coming to our website maybe after a very long time, or maybe for the first time, but that blog which was written, that was written more than a month ago. So if he wants to provide his comments, then he won't be able to provide. So for that reason, I keep this unchecked. People can comment at any point of time. No comment section will be closed. So like this, there are different options. So enable threaded nested comments. So how many threaded nested comments can be used? So I can use 5, 10, whatever it is, I can use it. So we can see this option. Then break comments into pages with 50 top level comments, or the latest, last or first page displayed. So this is all the settings that you want, in case you want, you require as per your requirement. Then email me whenever anyone posts a comment. So if I don't want unnecessary emails, then I can uncheck this option. A comment is held for moderation. So yes, I mean by default, I will keep all the comments must be manually approved, so that by default I will be moderating. So there is no need for this option over here because I'm putting this as manually approved. So then once I go to the comments over here, I'll get to know that how many comments are pending for approval. So then if I feel the comments are good, then I will approve the comment, or else by default, say it will not be posted on the website. So that is it. And comment author must have a previously approved comment. So say anyone who is putting comment, say his comment must have been previously approved, then only automatically his comments will be posted next time. So that is it. And hold comments in the queue if it contains two or more links. So I mean, even if there is one link, I want to hold that comment for review, because unnecessarily people will just try to post their promotional links on the blog, that is called as guest posting, in that people keep on posting and doing promotions on our website. So that is what we don't require. If people are adding links, then I will delete them and then I will post their content. So this is what we can do over here. That's it. And then I can say show avatars, and then I can select the maximum ratings over here. And then this is the default avatar, whatever I can use. Then if I want, I can use the avatar logo over here. So like this, I can use whatever options I want over here. And then I can click on save changes. So this is related to the discussions, related to comments, and then the media. That is the size of the images on the website. So the thumbnail size would be 150 by 150 on the website. So automatically it will crop the images. Even if I am uploading a full size image, then automatically it will convert that image to this particular size and use that site, that size image over here. So that is it. Then medium size image 300 by 300, and large size would be 1024 by 1024. So that is what we can use. So in case if you want to make any changes, then you can use it. So that's fine. And then uploading files, organize my uploads into months and year based on folders. So there would be many folders created. So I don't want that. I want all the images in one folder only. Otherwise, if I uploaded one image in March, so only a folder will be created March 2024, and in that one image will be there. So if next month, in the month of April, I am writing 10 blogs, so all the images for those 10 blogs will be there in the April month folder. So I don't want that option. I want all the images at once. So I don't have to go and click on the folders again and again. So I can see all the images in one folder. It is easy to take backups of the images. So for that reason, I am unchecking this option, and then I'll click on save changes. So this is related to the media. And then the most important thing, this is permalinks. So you will get to learn more about this in the search engine optimization. So permalinks is the link of the post. So say by default over here it is day and time. So it will look like, say if you're writing a blog, then it will look like this. Say like the base domain, and then year and month and date, and then the actual blog post. But this is not search engine friendly. So when we are creating a blog post, it should be search engine friendly. See over here also you have month and name. Over here also you have numeric. So I mean this is also not good. This is what we require, post name. So it should be directly digitalcybertron.com sample post name. So over here also, if I click over here any of the blogs, you will get to see how does this look like. So if I click on this particular blog, then you see what is the URL. So it will be say helpopedia.com and then the name of the blog, video SEO boosting your content visibility. So this is the search engine friendly URL. In between, if there is month and year and all those things, then it is not good. It is not search engine friendly. So that you can use. So in case if you want to use a custom structure, then you can use custom structure also. But I don't suggest that is required at this moment. So and categories base, so base category base tags. So in case if you want, you can use this option over here, but we are not using this unnecessary creating multiple shallow folders in between. So that is what we don't require at this moment. And then after making the changes, I click on save changes. So that is permalink. And then the next thing comes is privacy policy. So in case if I have a privacy policy, you can see I already have a privacy policy. You can see I have two pages. So I am selecting the privacy policy page and then I'll say use this page. So now whenever people want to see privacy policy, they can use this. So I will be updating the privacy policy page later on. So right now, since we have the page, I'm just selecting that okay this. If you don't have a page, then you can also create a page over here. So that is the option. And then under construction, so these are all the plugins that we have installed, so that will be used once we create a website. So because by default this is not the default menu of the WordPress panel, because this is something everything which we have installed in the website. So once we create the website and how we are going to use this, that you will learn once we actually create the website in the next session. So by default, these are the menu items in the admin panel. So this the panel which you see on the left hand side and on the top is called as admin panel, with which it contains all the menu items with which you can manage and create your website. You can add post over here, you can add pages automatically, they will get added to the website. You don't need to go and place something somewhere. Everything will be done automatically. So that is the reason it is called as content management system. So that is all about WordPress introduction today. So in the next session, we will be actually installing the theme. So I will select one of the themes. So till that time, I will take some time to think and select one of the themes so that we don't waste time on selecting a theme. And then I will show you how to install that theme. And then we will be doing some customizations on that theme, and then we will be adding content to it. So that content we'll also learn how to create content using chat gpt, which will also be useful for you when you are creating some content for social media. So if you want some content for social media, say Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you can generate content from there itself. So you don't need to write anything yourself. You want to generate hashtags for something, it will automatically generate hashtag. You just need to copy and paste it. So it's very easy. So because maybe sometimes we feel that these hashtags will work, but it doesn't work. So this will create all artificial intelligence tool. It is there for creating content, hashtags and everything. So yes, in the next session, we will be learning everything about the adding content, adding themes, plugins, and then finally adding content to our WordPress website.